Lead me, Lord, I follow. In the way you open up the door. I respect my love. Big up, bro.
Hi guys, welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're back at Coronation Market, and joining me to do some shopping is award-winning gospel artist Kevin Downswell.
Hey, what's up, family?
Hi Kevin, are you ready to do some shopping?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
My band, you know. So there's a few things, you know. Of course, if you buy a car like this, you know, say if they're hard, but if they're too soft, you know, so they're not fresh. You wanna know the beer full, you knock it or shake it, and if it's shake and the seed shake, you know it's ready. But if you don't shake, it means that it's not ready. The melon, listen man, you have to see the burn side of the melon. If all of the melon green, it means the melon is sweet.
So watermelon is one of your must-haves.
Listen man, this is it. This is my go-to. I will drink this, just blend this, and just drink this through the day as my liquid, as my fluid.
Makes you stronger.
Yeah.
Alright, what's apart from watermelon is in your market bag?
Banana has to be in my bag. Beetroot is a must. I love my papa, I love my green banana because I don't like boiling it as it, but I love to do banana porridge.
Are you health conscious?
I am very health conscious.
Do you have any new music coming out?
Yeah. Yeah man. So this Sunday we do the pre-album launch in Portmore. Pre-album launch worship experience in Portmore New Testament. And then the next day, which is Monday, we drop Higher. It's something like higher, 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 higher. Look how you're making me better, better, better from the fire. Oh, 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 fire, fire, fire. That's it. Now I'm gonna further.
And what was the inspiration for that song?
It's everybody's song. For me, I think that's everybody's song. We're here, we're downtown. These are people who've fought many battles to be here. But the important thing is, what did the fire do? Did the fire damage you? No. Most of us, the reason why we're here is because we went through something that proved the God that is inside of us. So, higher from the fire.
So, mixed reviews in terms of the prices. How did you find your shopping experience today?
I mean, today, I think the prices were a bit better than the last time I was here. I was here like a few weeks ago, and the prices are way better, way better. And the variety, you know, sometimes you would find prices high on one and low on the other. They are now more leveled, and I'm very happy for that.
What we're also happy is about your album launch this weekend.
Yes, my pre-album launch this weekend, this Sunday. Oh gosh. Oh, guys, I need to see your face. This Sunday, pre-album launch, Portmore New Testament. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you guys.
And you guys also need to come out and do your shopping. You heard from the vendors that the prices are down. So, until next time, bye.